Children, let's read the letter sounds of the alphabets. Letter A. A says A. 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 Apple. Apple. A. Letter B says B. 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 Banana. Banana. B. Letter C says K. 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 Crab. Crab. K. Letter D says D. 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 Duck. Duck. D. Letter E says E. 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 Egg. Egg. E. Letter F says fish. Fish. Letter G says G. 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 Gift. G. Letter H. H says ha. Ha. Helicopter. Helicopter. Ha. Letter I. I says E. 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 Igloo. E. Letter J. J says J. 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 Jacket. J. Letter K. K says K. 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 Kangaroo. K. Letter L. L says L. 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 Lamp. L. Letter M. M says M. 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 Moon. M. Letter N. N says N. 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 Nuts. Nuts. N. Letter O. O says aw. 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 Orange. Aw. Letter P. P says P. 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 Peacock. P. Letter Q. Q says Q. 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 Queen. Queen. Q. Letter R. R says R. 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 Robot. Robot. R. Letter S. S says S. 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 Seal. Seal. S. Letter T. T says T. 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 Turtle. Turtle. T. Letter U. There are two sounds of letter U. One is short sound like O, and the other is the long sound like U. Example of short sound is O, umbrella. Example of long sound is U, unicorn. O, umbrella. U, unicorn. Remember the two sounds, O and U. Letter V. V says V, V, V. Vulture, vulture, V. Letter W. W says W, W, W. Will, will, W. Letter X says X, X. X-ray, X-ray, X. Letter Y. Y says Y, Y, Y. Yat, yat, Y. Letter Z. Z says Z, Z, Z. Zipper, zipper, Z. Good job, children. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.